Understanding, Parted on Bad Terms, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might have come across in movies, books, or everyday conversations, parted on bad terms. This phrase can unlock a deeper understanding of English interactions, especially those involving conflicts or emotional situations. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what it means to part on bad terms. Parted on bad terms is an idiomatic expression that refers to ending a relationship or interaction with someone in a negative way, often due to a disagreement, argument, or unresolved issue. The key components here are parted, which means to leave or separate from someone, and on bad terms, indicating that the separation was unfriendly or hostile. Understanding this phrase is crucial for comprehending the emotional undertones in conversations and narratives. To fully grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. After the heated argument, the two friends parted on bad terms, not speaking to each other for months. The business partners parted on bad terms after disagreeing on the future direction of the company. These examples show that the phrase can apply to personal, professional, or any relationship type, emphasizing the negativity at the point of separation. Understanding such phrases is vital for English language learners because it helps decode the emotional layers of communication. Recognizing when people part on bad terms enables learners to navigate English-speaking environments more effectively, offering insights into the dynamics of interpersonal relationships and cultural nuances. We hope this exploration of the phrase, parted on bad terms, has shed light on its meaning and significance in the English language. Such idiomatic expressions enrich your understanding of English and help you communicate more effectively and empathetically. Thank you for joining us, and remember, every phrase you learn opens up new dimensions of language and culture. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.